Hey, I'm Mike here at the ElevenLabs Summit London 2026. I am going to be vibe coding an AI voice agent later in this video, so stick around for that. And we'll also take a look inside right now.
It's now clear that we are entering an era of general intelligence.
Hello, you're speaking to the government's AI helper. How can I help you today?
I would like to start a new business.
To start a new business, you'll need to choose a business structure and name, complete the registration, and upload required documents.
We believe that for general intelligence to be accessible to all, voice must replace outdated interfaces.
Yeah, it's been a busy week. OpenAI with their Frontier launch, Claude co-work, crashing software stocks with new plugins, and ElevenLabs going off the scale with realistic conversational AI with their 11v3 model. Let's dive in and see what we can build with the ElevenAgents platform. Now, you can create an agent trained on your own knowledge. I can actually go into knowledge base and I can go ahead, I can scan a whole website, I can create text, make folders to categorize things, or I'm just going to throw in a bunch of files. So I'll go ahead and click and get into my downloads folder where I've already got 5 different transcripts of YouTube videos. This is an easy way for me to make a conversational agent based around the Creator Magic content. So this is all here and uploaded, and you can see it's right here in my RAG knowledge base. Now I can go to agents and I can create a brand new agent. Now what's really cool about this is I can give it a personality. So I'm going to go ahead, delete the system prompt and say you're the Creator Magic AI assistant, friendly and enthusiastic helper for myself, Mike Russell. Tone and guidance: when someone sounds uncertain, help them with encouragement. When someone shares something they've built, be genuinely enthusiastic. And now for the first message that my agent will say, let's update this and say, hey, I'm the Creator Magic AI assistant. I can help you find the right AI tool and so on. This is brilliant. And we can make it interruptible, meaning that the person can speak and interrupt at any point here. Now I can choose my own favorite voice.
The heart has eyes which the brain knows nothing of.
Let's go with Foxy. That sounds absolutely fantastic and fits my futuristic theme. Now I can choose the text-to-speech model family, and you'll see here there's a bunch, but the latest model they released just a week ago is V3 Conversational. It reacts to the emotional intelligence in human voices. It's really cool, and we'll see it in action in just a moment. Now to make sure it works really well, make sure Expressive mode is ticked to on. Now we are using our favorite voice with the latest ElevenLabs text-to-speech model, and we can choose our language. English is fine in this instance. Now, LLM will have a great impact, and of course you can choose Gemini Flash as a model, but there's a bunch of other different models, and all the pricing is available to you right there. I actually think right now Claude is pretty good at this, so I'm selecting Claude Sonnet 4.5 as my primary LLM. We can change the temperature if we like. Let's put it somewhere in the center, and that should be fine for me. And if I click Add Document, those documents I uploaded earlier can be added in one by one, like so, until we have all of our documents in the agent's knowledge base to refer to. And look at that, it was as easy as that to create this agent. Now I can actually call my AI agent and test it out for real.
I'm the Creator Magic AI assistant. What are you working on?
Yeah, I'm really excited to build. Tell me what tool I should be using right now in 2026.
That's the energy I love to hear. Right now, in early 2026, you've got some incredible options. If you want to build apps fast without much coding, Claude Code with Opus 4.6 is absolutely crushing it.
So I'm getting really angry and frustrated because I have to make YouTube content on a regular basis. I really wish there was a way to automate it. Help me.
Oh, I totally get that frustration. The content treadmill is exhausting, right? Here's the good news. Mike just covered this exact problem. Wondercraft's new AI video feature can literally generate faceless YouTube videos and shorts in minutes.
Now you'll see when I go back to this settings page here, it already has integrations right inside ElevenLabs to work with your favorite AI coding tools. I can select Claude Code, and the deployment prompt is actually copied to the clipboard. So it makes it super easy to integrate this agent into any app I'm building. And then I'm going to paste that whole prompt that ElevenLabs gave me when I built my agent into the initial prompt with Claude Code, hit enter, and let Claude Code spin into action. Now you can see that fully pasted prompt here from ElevenLabs is really comprehensive. It tells Claude Code exactly what to do to make this work. And already Claude Code has discovered an empty project, so it's building from scratch with an index file here, and it will get the ElevenLabs conversational AI integration with all the theming and mobile responsiveness that I asked for. And we're back, and look at this. Now we've got the ability to talk, and we've also got the ElevenLabs widget that appears in the bottom right. Let's click to talk.
I'm the Creator Magic AI Assistant. I can help you find the right AI tool.
Absolutely. I would love you to find a good tool for me. Recommend a beginner tool for AI coding, please.
For beginner-friendly AI coding, I'd highly recommend checking out ElevenAgent or Claude Code.
And there you go. It's as simple as that. I now have my knowledge base and my agent sitting there on a website I've just vibe coded. It really is as simple as that. And one of the coolest things about the ElevenAgents platform is not only can you swap out the voice if you like, you can use their latest model for expressive mode, and it can detect if your user is angry, happy, and reflect those emotions to them. But you can also go through and make minute changes and choose to create new branches, which is really cool. So we can do this one as test, excited, for instance, create that branch. And now we'll go into my AI agent setup and we'll go to the audio tag of excited and we'll say the agent should always be excited. Like that. Now the really cool thing about the ElevenAgents platform is I can publish the new version like that, and when I've done that I can actually deploy traffic, and this is where I get to choose how many of my users I send to my new excitable agent. So for instance, I could make the main agent 89% of traffic and the new excitable agent 11% of traffic. Hit deploy, and now instantly it's rolling out the new version of my agent to 11% of my users. I can't emphasize enough how easy it is to build agentic voices right inside ElevenAgents, deploy them using the ElevenAPI platform, and vibe code with your favorite tool, whether it's Claude Code or Replit or Lovable or something else. Basically, it's a one-click copy and paste from ElevenLabs. No messing about with the API keys, no worrying how to integrate it or what libraries to use, because it's all taken care of for you. Well, I hope you enjoy creating something absolutely amazing with 11v3, an expressive mode that can detect emotions and reflect your users perfectly. Let me know what you'll be vibe coding or creating in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and YouTube is showing a video on your screen now you should watch next. Thanks.